What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the fog lights on the B8 2012 Audi A4. So what I do is, instead of going behind the wheel over here where the fender is at, I take off the fog light bezel. So what I do is I squeeze both of these right here, lift up and pull. Comes out easy. Oh shit, I didn't get to it. Alright guys, so the start tool it is a T20. Alright, for the fog light screws. Go real quick. You guys able to see it? Right there. Alright, let's get it off. So it's out. Okay, guys, now I'm trying to push this damn thing down to push this off. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna take this off. Alright. Now, all you do here is obviously turn it counterclockwise, pull out. Alright guys, now I got these Audi lighting LED light bulbs from Amazon. These are H11s. In my opinion, these are really good fog lights. I have them on the Genesis too. So yeah, so now let's get to it. Let's get to it. Alright, show you guys the quality of this fog light. Look how nice that is, man. Shit's nice. Alright, same thing here. We're gonna put it in here, push, turn clockwise. Put the clip back in. Make sure it clips in. Alright, now screws back in. Alright, now put this back on. Let's try it in. Alright, now on to the other side. This one, guys, I already took off because I already showed you guys how to get done over there. So just move off here. Same thing here, guys. T20 star screw. Just move it. Same thing here. Push the clip down and move. Same here, we're gonna turn counterclockwise, remove it. Then we get an LED bulb. Sick, guys. H11, remember that, guys. H11 is the fog light bulb for the B8 Audi A4. Alright. Here. Clockwise. Alright. Now, clip back on. just reinstall this. These two grooves go in first, then push right in. All right, all set. Let's test these out real quick. Put my tools away neatly. By the way, my girlfriend got me this for Christmas. I love this a lot. Need a toolbox. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content for the V8 Audi. This is also going to be in the playlist. Yeah, guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.